You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. Happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. Steve Maraboli. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Zig Ziglar. Don't be upset with people and situations in your life, because both are powerless without your reaction. Unknown. Open your eyes to the beauty around you, open your mind to the wonders of life, open your heart to those who love you, and always be true to yourself. Maya Angelou. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Unknown. The price of inaction is far greater than the cost of making a mistake. Meister Eckhart. Nobody is superior, nobody is inferior, but nobody is equal either. People are simply unique, incomparable. Osho. Some people feel the rain. Others just get wet. Bob Marley. You are searching the world for treasure, but the real treasure is yourself. Rumi. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. Dr. Seuss. How people treat you is their karma, how you react is yours. Wayne W. Dyer. The person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person doing it. Chinese proverb. The minute you get away from fundamentals, proper technique, work ethic, or mental prep, the bottom can fall out of your game. Michael Jordan. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Aristotle.